I get money to spend on Wish.com. Now, the last Wish.com video we did, I only got to spend $100. However, in this one, I get to spend $200. I really want something good. It's gotta look amazing and not more broken Squirtles. I'm thinking that... Just kidding. Not this. We're not gonna do that. We're gonna look up maybe like TKL keyboard. There's no way. $225 crossed out and now it's 70. Okay, the Razer Tournament Edition TKL isn't even $225 in the first place. That's a lie. You know, I thought Wish.com was cheaper. $436 for this. Logitech K835. What is this? This is a scam. Banana split switches. I don't think they exist on Wish.com. Mechanical keyboard switch. Ooh, a 60% keyboard? This isn't bad. This reminds me of like well, pretty much every 60% keyboard you might find on Amazon, but it's Bluetooth. Okay. RGB. 8 colors? Okay, 5-star review. Please tell me it's good. Susan gave this 5 stars. Didn't say anything else. She reviewed this 14 days ago. 5 stars. That's all she said. She didn't say anything else. More modes, more choices. Dongle, Bluetooth 1 and Bluetooth 2. I think this is legit. Oh yeah. To put, ooh, for Fortnite. Okay. You know, I think this is worth. I'm not even kidding. I think it's a must buy. Do you want me to buy it or do you not want me to buy it? Buy for Fortnite? Yes. Pat says yes. You must buy. You absolutely must buy. I'm feeling it. I think we're gonna do it. Oh, only 2 left? We got a deal. That was number 1. That's cheap. Yeah. Yeah, no. Holy cow. Shipping is $29. Okay, well, we're moving on. I need a high-end keycap set for my new $13 keyboard. These are really popular in the community, you know? You only get 6 pieces. How do you buy the full keycap set? Ooh, but there's a lot of reviews. Okay, Andrew. You had a good time with that. Hey, no, but look. Muy bueno. Very good. I think we need at least 1 or 2 of these bad boys. Betty, don't buy those? But why not? If I buy it, I'll buy 3 pieces. That's a steal. Everyone says no, yet. Why does chat vote yes? Why? I think you publicly don't want me to buy them, but you secretly want me to buy them. I get what you're trying to do here. I understand. My cart's got a really cheap thingy and really cheap keycaps. Nice. I think we're off to a really good start. Wait. Oh, these are expensive. 10 pieces for $18? That's way overpriced. Buy 10 just to see if they're real? Is this worth? I feel like I already know what you guys will say, but I'll ask anyways. Chat. This is wait, 50-50. All right, it's 50-50. I'm bringing in Jake. He gets to say whether I spend over money on overpriced switches or not. The problem is we have to decide how to break the tiebreaker, basically.
Wait, that's like really expensive.
Yeah, I know. Anyways, we don't have coins in this household.
Oh, I grabbed this. I don't know why you wanted a coin.
We have this, a singular dice. So I guess if it's odds, we buy it, and if it's even, we don't.
Wait, why do you want to buy it in the first place?
Because it's...
You
want to know if it's real.
Oh, okay. Evens are yes, odds are no.
Evens are yes, odds are no. I will now roll the dice. The side that faces them is the correct side. It is a 3!
Oh, man.
That means we buy.
Oh.
Can we do 4 interest-free payments?
Wait, what?
Of $4.50. Bye. No. Look at what we got though.
Wait, what else have you gotten?
Look, this is really cool.
Oh
Okay.
my, you bought the cringiest.
3 pieces though. It's
What?
cheap. And shipping's only $1. That's a steal.
That's
And
so
this,
gross.
okay. This is for Fortnite gamers.
Okay.
RGB, wireless. It doesn't say what switch it is. I'm
Wait,
just gonna...
it's only $13?
I'm just gonna assume it's a blue... Oh, here, blue switch. But look at this!
What? That's so expensive.
Shipping is double.
This is why I don't let you buy things. Well, you guys have fun. Oh, did you guys see I'm wearing
Yes, this is the Keyboard Kids hoodie, now in stock. Go to shopswitchandclick.com to get your merch. Use code 10 off for your order off $50. Okay, looking at the cart, I've only spent $34. I'm looking for something, you know, a little bit pricier. I think I'm looking for something in the $50 range. Artisan keycaps? Are these a real thing? Ooh, something expensive. That's what I'm looking for. Ooh, does this spin? This one is made of gold. A golden fidget spinner. There's no reviews, but I'm assuming it actually spins. You can freely rotate the keycap to relieve stress and pass time. Oh no, it's made of aluminum. I'm into this. Are you into this? Oh no, Blurk, see? You bought this and it never showed up. Oh no, I want it to show up. What would be the lower price from 14 to $12.88? Yeah, we get to save, how much? 14 minus 12.88 divided by 14. I saved 8%. Yeah, this looks not cute. This is not cute. This, however, what do you think? Macro pad, 2 keys. Size A is red shaft. Size B is green axis. I'm so confused. This is very sketchy. Should I just go with the green axis? Because I have no idea what that is. It's only $24. It's not crazy. I have my Osu pad here, but guess what? I stole this image off the internet and now I'm gonna make it seem like this pad is connected to this laptop that clearly is not. Ah, Wish.com. You're funny every time. You get desk mat off Wish? That's a good idea. That's a good idea. Really? Red? Really? Come on. Come on. Just move it towards green. Change your votes to green. Buy both? Ooh. I didn't even think about buying both. Is it how I'll actually get a $50 item? Just like buy 2 of something? That's a genius idea. Whoever said buy both, genius. I bought 1. Now I want B. Green axis. Oh yeah, that's not bad. $6 shipping. Desk mat. Ooh. RGB. Being the gamer that I am, I've never had an RGB mouse pad. This could be my chance. Alejandra, John, and Steven gave it pretty good rating. RGB equals FPS. That's right. It's better than a 3080. Who needs a 3080 when you can get this? Everyone says I need it. Therefore, I need it. 28, $9 shipping. Not terrible. It's like a 30% markup though. There we go. That is a real nice. Nobody, no Genshin Impact, but it's a deal. Huge scam. No, this is a steal. This is a steal. Genshin Impact or nah? 50-50. That means we roll the dice. Evens, I buy, and odds I do not buy. Boom. And it is 6. What a coincidence, because evens I buy. Okay, the budget is still good. I'm still within budget. Someone said mouse bungee. I've never used one. Honestly, to me, they all look the same. I think I can at least do this one. Size B, the better one, is $20. And size A, obviously not good one, is $13. I think B's better here. Draw poll. Results. Yes. What? 69 votes for yes. Mouse bungee. What else do I need in the setup? Got a bungee. I've got a desk, 2 desk mats, 1 gaming mode, 1 normal mode, 2 macro pads, artisan keycap, some switches, you know, some of these, and a 60% keyboard. I need a mouse to make this setup, but not just any mouse. A gaming mouse. Ooh, this one's 96 cents. 96 cents gaming mouse? Yes. That means shipping is probably terrible. I'm literally getting an entire setup, a whole setup for less. Well, I mean, I'm obviously overspending on stupid stuff, but it's pretty good. All right, everyone says yes over here. Well, not everyone. Actually, a large percentage said no. Well, yes, it is. 96 cents. Ugh, $13 shipping. Kill me. Headset. Need a headset. Needs to be gaming. This looks pretty good. This looks promising. Okay, all camo. Oh, we need RGB. You're right. This is the one. The RGB looks good. Ooh, the white version looks sort of nice. Anti-violence double suspension head beam. If you wear this, there's no violence anymore. Save the world. No violence. The white looks sleek. I agree. The white looks good. It looks pretty good. It can handle the gamer rage. No more violence. Everybody in chat wants to stop violence. We are anti-violence over here. I'm okay with that. Save the planet. Okay, let's do some math. 200 minus 183. I've got $17 left. What's left in the setup? I've got headphones, mouse, bungee, desk mats, 2 macro pads, which I might give up one to make my setup better since, you know, macro pads aren't worth it. And then I've got some cringe keycaps and stuff. You have enough keycaps? I don't. I do not have enough keycaps. Maybe something like this would be good. Yeah, it fits my 60% perfectly. I could do Korean, Russian, or Japanese. Gotta do Japanese here. I think I have to give up one of the macro pads. Goodbye, green axis. You're going away. Headset holder? No, that's my head. My head will hold the headset for free. All right, these are the keycaps. They are beautiful. Yes, here. Hurry. Bye. That leaves me $15. Can you even get with $15? Wrist rest sounds promising. There's a big one. Oh, there's one of those. Ooh, one of those. Oh, there's one of these. This is sort of cute, but this is way cheaper. We got style 3 is $8, but this is so cute. Use the anime. All right, this is lame. Use the anime. There's only 2 left. Okay, finger, I see what you're doing. All right, I'm gonna give you my 2 favorites is this and this, but I know you all want this, so I'm gonna give you a choice between cat paw, dog face, and anime. Oh wow, anime winning with half of the votes? That's unexpected. I didn't expect this one. All right. Anime. I've never been more disappointed in you. 210? The fidget thing's gotta go? I think you're right. Over budget. No. Goodbye. This is the setup. We've got the okay, anime ReZero mouse pad. Yes, we got some nice keycaps, a RGB headset, yellow mouse bungee, nice Genshin Impact mouse. I feel like the 2 mouse pads are too much. I might have to add in the fidget spinner thing back. I feel like this is wrong because, like, what are you gonna do with 2 desk mats for? I will do it. I'm putting back the gold artisan keycap. The final cart. Here it is, an aluminum artisan keycap. That is gold. Osu thingy. Some switches. I don't know. Keycaps. And this. A 60% mechanical keyboard. Full setup. I'm ready to game. That is the cart. Is Wish safe to buy? I have no clue.